Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I hope you all are doing great and staying safe at your homes. For today's video, I have created this half cut crease sort of look. I was going through an Instagram and I came across this eye look, and I was so much intrigued by this look that I thought to recreate. I was not sure that I'll be able to recreate this look because I haven't created any kind of half cut crease or cut crease sort of look previously, but I thought let's just challenge myself, and I'm quite happy with how it's looking. So yeah, if you wish to see how I created this look, then just please continue watching. I'm starting with eye makeup first. I've already prepped up and concealed my eyelids. I'm using this palette by Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and taking that bright pink shadow from the palette, I'm just applying it on my entire crease. I'm just taking 2-3 rounds of this eyeshadow to build that intensity. Next, I'm picking this darker shade from the palette, and I'm just applying it below the crease area just to build that depth on my sockets. You need to go 2-3 rounds of these shadows to build that intensity and to get that desired transition from dark to light. Working these shadows in a windshield wiping motion. Next, I'm picking these two shades from the palette and I'm just intensifying the color on my outer V and little bit on the crease. I'm just adding more depth to the outer V and blending it seamlessly so that all the shades are blended. Next, with a flat brush, I'm just doing a half cut crease. You need to be very patient while performing this, so just it's better to take your enough time so that you get a good precise cut crease on your lids. And now setting my half concealed lids with a brighter shade of shadow from the palette and patting it on all over the lid area. I'm just blending it with a brown shadow so that it looks all blended and put together. And now curling my lashes with a mascara, and later I'll be adding a pair of false lashes. I'm just wiggling the mascara wand on my entire lashes so that all the lashes are separated. Eyes are done, and moving on with face. I've already prepped up my skin and now using this Nykaa primer, and I'm just applying very generously on my T-zone and on my cheeks where I tend to get little oily. It's a silicone based primer, so it's really good to blur out your pores. It does work as a barrier between your skin and your foundation, so priming is must. Next, I'm using this foundation. It's 24 hours weightless liquid foundation. I'm in the shade FC 2.2. This was the closest match I got for my skin. It has got a bit moussey texture which I find a little heavy on my skin, but overall it's quite buildable. It claims to be a hydrating long wear foundation, which I'm not sure, but yes, it's a medium to full coverage buildable foundation. Moving on to concealer, I'm using this Pro Conceal by LA Girl. My shade is pure beige. I'm just applying a little bit under my eyes where I felt a little bit of darkness. So I'm just patting the concealer with a damp beauty blender. Next, for brightening, I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer, and my shade is 122 Sand. I'm applying very little bit on my highlighted areas and blending it with a damp beauty blender. Now to set all this, I'm using this Makeup Revolutions banana powder. Go very easy with this powder because less is more. Quickly grooming my brows, I'm using this Nykaa Brow 1 Point pencil, just filling the spare gaps and brushing it up. Next, my usual step is bronzing. I'm using this Maybelline V Face Duo Powder. I'm not very good with harsh contourings, but I feel bronzing works best for me. Adding a little bit of blush, I'm using this MAC Pro Longwear blush. I'm just adding a little tint on my cheeks just to get that flushed out look. Applying this blush on my cheeks and around my nose. Now applying same shadows on my lower lash line as well. Tightlining my waterline with this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. I find this kajal very intense and very easy to apply on my waterline. So I really like this kajal. Okay, that's a green tea. Now applying highlighter. I'm using this Nykaa Glow Getter highlighter and applying it on my usual points of the face. Over these months, I've realized that you go very easy with the powder products so that your base doesn't get caked up. Mixing these two lip colors to get that shade, and I'm done. So yeah, that's all for the look. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you wish to recreate this look, then do tag me on my Instagram page. My handle will be linked in the description box below. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.